Good evening. I'm Dr. D. Indira Priyadarshini, Associate Professor of English, Vidya Jyoti Institute of Technology. Today I'm going to give a presentation on effective presentation skills. Definition. What is a presentation? A presentation is something set forward to an audience for the attention of the mind. And how effective it is. It is effective in producing a desired result. Then the question arises, why give a presentation? The main purpose of the presentation is to inform, to persuade, and to educate. Great writers gave this particular statement, that is, great speakers aren't born, they are trained. Presenting is a skill developed through experience and training. Let us first see about effective presentations. Effective presentations control anxiety. They don't fight it. It controls audience-centered. It accomplishes objective. It is fun for audience. It's fun for you. And it is conducted within a time frame. First, how to present. Planning your presentation is very important. First, determine the purpose of your presentation. Secondly, assess your audience. Success depends on your ability to reach your audience. Seize the size and the demographics transitions, the knowledge level and the motivational level. Planning a presentation. Thirdly, plan the space, the number of seats, seating arrangement, audiovisual equipment, distractors. Fourthly, what day and time did you plan for the presentation? Any day in the morning session. The presentation sequence. First, build rapport. Build relation marked by harmony or affinity. Audience members who trust you and feel that you care. Start before you begin. Mingle. Learn names. Opportunity to reinforce or correct audience assessment. Create good first impression. People listen to people they like. How do you open your presentation? First, introduce yourself. Why should they listen to you? Get attention. Build more rapport. Introduce topic. To introduce, you can either utilize humor, a short story, a startling statistic, make audience think about the topic, or invite participation. Get audience response. How to complete the opening? Clearly define the topic. If the topic is informative, clear parameters for content within time. If the topic is persuasive, what exactly is the problem? Who cares about the problem? And what's the solution of the problem? Next, the overview. Thirdly, presenting the main points, the solution. Main point is the transition stage from the topic to the main body. Then support evidences based on illustrations, examples, feedback and questions from the audience. Attention to and focus on audience. Next, concluding your presentation. What's your goal of giving the presentation? To inform audience that you're about to close, to summarize main points, something to remember or call to action, and to answer questions. Next, effective presentation techniques. Presentation style. Let us first discuss about the vocal techniques. Loudness. You should utilize your voice up to the mark so that your voice is audible. Maintain the pitch to a certain level, rate, and give frequent pauses over there. Deviations from the norm of emphasis. What is the presentation style? Here we talk about kinesics, body language, eye contact. Maintain eye contact with the audience. Proper usage of gestures gives life to your presentation. Your proper posture also adds point to your presentation. Next, proximity. That means use of space. Can everyone see you? The way how you stand, the place where you stand. Are you visible to everyone? The movement. The common problems people face when they give the presentations. People are nervous. They fear more than death. Sometimes shaky hands, blushing teeth, memory loss, nausea, and knocking knees. They also use verbal fillers out of fear, like, and any unrelated word or phrase. Some other common problems are swaying, rocking, and pacing. Some keep their hands in pockets. Some do lip smacking. Some do fidgeting. And some fail to be audience-centered. Now let us see what are the good presentation tips. Having a appropriate smile, a present smile on the face is always appreciated. Breathe and give pauses in between the lines, feeling that you are comfortable with the presentation and the audience. If necessary, drink water. Prepare the shorthand notes. Finish on or under time. Creating effective visual aids. Visual aids, the purpose is to enhance understanding. Visual aids add variety to your presentation. They support claims. They have lasting impact. What are the examples of different visual aids? PowerPoint slides, overhead transparencies, graphs and charts, pictures, films or a short video, flip charts, and sketches are the examples of the visual aids. But what is the purpose of the visual aids? What do they do? They supplement the presentation. They give an outline of main points. They serve audience needs and not the speakers. They are very simple and clear. The purpose of using visual aids. Firstly, visual aids support your ideas and improve audience comprehension of your presentation. Visual aids add variety to your presentation by giving the audience a break from listening and letting them see something. Visual aids help illustrate complex ideas or concepts and are helpful in reinforcing your ideas. Next, be visible. Title should be 38 to 44 point font size. Text size should be 28 point font size. Use color wisely. To conclude, presentation skills. Some facts. Rule 1. Tell me what you found out and what you know. Rule 2. Make your presentation a memorable one. Rule 3. Use examples and illustrations. Rule 4. The 2 minutes rule. detailed outline are a waste of time. Rule 6. Be enthusiastic. Rule 7. Do not apologize. Rule 8. Stage fright is normal. Rule 9. Be seen and heard by the audience. Rule 10. Questions are always good. Rule 11. Know your presentation program. Rule 12. Never ever run over time. And finally, a big thank you for listening patiently to my presentation. Thank you very much.